If you want to deactivate your Telegram account, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and safe way. Whether you're leaving Telegram for good or just cleaning up accounts you no longer use, this is the official method to delete your Telegram account from your browser. Before we begin, make sure you have access to the phone number linked to your Telegram account because you'll need it to receive the login code. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to my.telegram.org/aufiest to see delete. This is the official Telegram account deletion page, so make sure you're on the correct website before entering any personal information. Once the page loads, you'll see a field asking for your phone number. Type in the phone number that is connected to your Telegram account. Make sure you enter it correctly, including the country code, so Telegram can send the verification code to the right account. After entering your phone number, click Next. Telegram will now send a confirmation code to your Telegram app on your phone. So, pick up your phone and open the Telegram app. Look for the login code message that was sent by Telegram. This code is required to verify that you are the owner of the account and that you want to continue with the deletion process. Now go back to the website and type the confirmation code into the field on the page. Double check the code before submitting it because an incorrect code will stop the process. Once the code is entered, click Sign In. This will take you into the Telegram account management page where you can continue with account deletion. At this point, Telegram may ask you for a reason why you want to delete your account. You can type a reason if you want to help Telegram understand your feedback, but this step is usually optional. If you don't want to explain, you can simply leave it blank and continue. Finally, click Delete My Account. Telegram will ask you to confirm one last time because deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone. Once you confirm, your Telegram account will be deactivated and removed according to Telegram's deletion process. That means your chats, contacts, and account data will no longer be available through that account, and that's it. You've successfully deactivated your Telegram account using the official deletion page. Just remember, this is a permanent action, so only proceed if you're completely sure. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.